Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you about how you can run DeepSeek-r1 reasoning agent locally on your PC. So, first of all, things to remember what we need to do. So, first of all, we need to download Ollama. I already have Ollama, so just show you can download Ollama on Windows. Simply you can click on here. I already downloaded, that's why I don't download it. If you have specific operating system, Windows, Linux or Mac operating system, you can choose according to that. After that, suppose I already downloaded it, I simply open command prompt here and check that Ollama. When I click this, if Ollama is installed, you can see these types of commands here. So I check the models. After that, you can see deepseek-r1. I already downloaded the Ollama Run DeepSeek, and if you are new here, you just need to, after installing Ollama, you need to run Ollama Run DeepSeek-r1. I copy it simply and paste it here, and you can see Ollama DeepSeek-r1 is reasoning agent is here. I asked the question, simple, and press enter. You can see it's our reasoning agent. First, it will think about it, and after that, it will give our answer. So, this is the simple video how you can set up a DeepSeek R1 locally in your PC. If you find this content valuable, like this video, subscribe this channel, so you got more videos like this one. Thank you.